Celebrate a healthy holiday season, guilt-free treats and mindful eating tips. As the holiday season approaches, it brings with it a flurry of festivities, joyful gatherings, and a delightful array of treats. This time of year is all about connection, celebration, and cherished traditions with loved ones. However, amidst the celebrations, it's easy to let healthy habits slip away as the temptation of indulgent foods becomes hard to resist. The constant stream of holiday parties and decadent meals can pose challenges to maintaining a balanced approach to eating. Fortunately, this year, you don't have to sacrifice your health goals in order to enjoy the festive spirit. With a little creativity and planning, you can indulge in delicious treats that nourish your body while supporting overall well-being. Registered dietitian Vidhi Chawla emphasizes the importance of mindful eating, encouraging individuals to strike a balance between enjoyment and health during the holiday season. Guilt-free holiday treats. In the spirit of the season, here are some guilt-free alternatives that are not only nutritious, but also delectable. 1. Spiced apple chips. Ditch the store-bought versions and opt for homemade baked apple chips. Simply slice apples thinly, toss them with a blend of cinnamon, nutmeg, and a drizzle of maple syrup, then bake until crisp. These chips provide a satisfying crunch while being low in calories. 2. Dark chocolate-covered berries. Satisfy your sweet tooth with dark chocolate-covered berries. Rich in antioxidants, dark chocolate can contribute to heart health. Dip fresh strawberries, raspberries, or blueberries in high-quality dark chocolate for a delightful and healthful treat. 3. Roasted pumpkin seeds. Packed with protein, fiber, and magnesium, pumpkin seeds make for a nutritious snack. Roast them with a sprinkle of salt and spices like cinnamon and nutmeg for added flavor. These seeds are not only tasty, but also provide a satisfying crunch. 4. Homemade trail mix. Create your own trail mix by combining nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and a few dark chocolate chips. Choose a mix of almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds to provide a variety of textures and nutrients. 5. Gingerbread smoothie. Embrace the flavors of the season with a gingerbread smoothie. Blend almond milk, spinach, banana, frozen berries, and a hint of ginger and cinnamon to create a warming and nutritious drink that captures holiday spirit. 6. Baked sweet potato fries. Swap traditional French fries for baked sweet potato fries, which are rich in fiber and vitamins. Season them with paprika, cumin, and a touch of chili powder for a flavorful twist that satisfies cravings. 7. Homemade granola. Prepare your granola using oats, nuts, seeds, and holiday spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. Pair it with yogurt and fresh fruit for a healthy and filling breakfast or snack option that energizes your day. 8. Hot chocolate with a twist. Instead of resorting to sugary store-bought mixes, whip up your own hot chocolate using unsweetened cocoa powder, almond milk, and a dash of maple syrup. Top with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a comforting beverage that warms you from the inside out. Mindful eating, the key to balance. The holiday season is not just about delicious treats, it is also a time for reflection and self-care. Vidhi Chawla stresses the importance of practicing mindful eating throughout the festive season. Take the time to savor each bite, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. This awareness helps create a healthier relationship with food and allows you to enjoy treats without guilt. Moderation is crucial. While it's perfectly acceptable to indulge in holiday favorites, being mindful of portion sizes can prevent overindulgence. Chawla encourages individuals to incorporate healthy swaps into their holiday celebrations, ensuring that they can enjoy the festivities while still making choices that support their overall well-being. As you navigate the holiday season, remember that prioritizing health doesn't mean sacrificing joy. By embracing mindful eating and opting for wholesome treats, you can keep your health goals intact without missing out on the festive fun. With these guilt-free alternatives and a balanced approach, you can celebrate the holidays with joy, connection, and a renewed commitment to well-being. This season, indulge in delicious flavors while nurturing your body and creating lasting memories with loved ones.